Vicovanu Ltd is a family-run transport business. We're based in Grace in Essex, and we're serving the container market out of the local docks. We are running a 24/7 operation. We have some 60 drivers, 10 office staff. We're covering all of the UK, and we're very happy to count on the vehicles we bought from Volvo Used Trucks. They really give us exactly what we need for our business. I purchased my first truck from Phil Wheeler at the Volvo Used Trucks, and I figured really to start my business I need a good vehicle, a good make, something I can rely on so I don't start the business on the wrong foot. I think Volvo Used Trucks gave me that reassurance. Today we are running 45 vehicles. We're getting delivery of another 5 tomorrow, which is going to bring us up to 50 vehicles. 70% of our fleet is supplied by Volvo Used Trucks. We are typically buying Volvo approved vehicles which are 3 to 4 years old and around 300,000–400,000 kilometers. Buying used vehicles which have been on a gold maintenance contract is giving us a very good reassurance that the vehicles are maintained to the highest standard, and I would not choose anything else. When we're taking delivery of the used trucks, they are spot on, they're very well checked. We can basically put them straight on the road.
For over a decade I've been supplying trucks to Sergio, and it's been great to see his business grow. Every used trucks we supply comes with a 200-point safety inspection and also comes with a tacho calibration and a full valet.
Volvo provides a 12-month driveline warranty, which we're very happy to have, but I like to have more peace of mind, and I always go for the 24 months. It's got very good coverage, and this is something that we've always done. We bought a second year of warranty. Whenever we need more trucks, I just get in touch with Phil. He's got a list of vehicles ready for me. After working so long with him, he knows the spec that I want. What's important next for us from a truck supplier is to deliver a reliable product with the right warranty, fuel efficiency, which is going to help us with the business sustainability, and we just want to keep getting the same from Volvo Used Trucks. After buying vehicles for 10 years from Phil Wheeler, I've got to say the relationship goes beyond work now, and I feel like we're becoming friends, and I'm really happy with that. It's a personal touch, quite a good one coming from Volvo Used Trucks to have such people working for them.